Welcome back. Now we can take our data and formalize it for a special report. So for example, if we were to turn this data into a table first, we would then have this chart. And then assuming we wanted to present this data, we would then go to the page layout. We could choose then not to show the grid line. We can choose then not to show the headings. We can then set our print area based on our cells. Once we did that, we can then go to the print area. And what we would do is we would then go to File. We would then go to Print. Now, one of the first things that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to our page setup. And in order to formalize the report, we need to go to the header area. And then we're going to need to create a custom header. We can write the information in to the header in the way that we want it to be. We can also do the same for a custom footer. We can write that information in the way that we want it to be, and then click OK. Once we've completed it, we can then click OK. We are then ready to print our document as a PDF document. And if we click this button, we make sure that our printer is going to be our Adobe PDF, we can then click Print. And we now have our PDF in presentation form. Now, of course, you can formalize in any other way that you want and add more to it. However, those are the basics of creating formal reports from your data. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.